In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cyclic arrow infographic in Microsoft PowerPoint. This style of graphic is perfect for showing processes, cycles, workflows, or any sequence that repeats, and we'll build it entirely with PowerPoint's built-in tools so it's easy to reuse later. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint. You can work in an existing presentation if you're adding this to a slide, or open a blank slide to design it from scratch so you have plenty of space to arrange everything. Head to the Insert tab on the ribbon, choose Shapes, and scroll to the Block Arrows section. Pick a curved arrow and click and drag on your slide to draw it. Don't worry about perfection yet, just get one arrow in place. You can refine its size by dragging the handles, and if you want a thicker or thinner look, resize proportionally so the arrow maintains a clean shape. To build the full cycle, duplicate this arrow by pressing Ctrl+D. Rotate the copy using the rotation handle, then position it so it starts forming part of a circle. Repeat this duplication and rotation until the arrows connect in a loop. Smart guides will help you line things up as you go, but we'll fine-tune alignment next. Select all of your arrows, go to the Shape Format tab, and open Align. Use Align Center and Align Middle to keep the loop balanced around the slide, then choose Distribute Horizontally or Distribute Vertically depending on the layout to even out the spacing. The goal is a smooth circular flow with consistent gaps. Now add color, select each arrow, and use Shape Fill to apply a different color to each segment. This makes each stage easy to distinguish while keeping the cycle cohesive. Sticking to your theme colors helps the design match the rest of your presentation, and a subtle outline or no outline at all can create a polished finish. Add the labels by going back to Insert and choosing Text Box. Place a text box inside or near each arrow and type a short title or description for that step. Keep text concise, bump up the font size for readability, and make sure there's enough contrast between the text and the arrow color. To enhance the design, consider small icons, a clean font pairing, or subtle effects like light shadows. Keep it simple so the process remains the focus. When you're happy with the layout, select everything, right-click, and choose Group. Grouping lets you move, resize, and reuse the graphic on other slides without losing alignment. You can save the slide as a template or export the graphic for future projects. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more PowerPoint tips and free resources. Thanks for watching.